Hi guys, my name is Emily and I'm 19 years old. I am studying Youth and Adult Correctional Intervention at Unsick College. Unsick College is a very good college in the city of Montreal. My program is about how to intervene with delinquent people and how we can help them to be a better person and how we can help them to reintegrate society quickly and adequately. So we learn about different types of interventions we can use with them. We learn about all the possibilities of job in this field of study, and we learn about different problems that our client can have. As I already say, there are so many possibilities of job after school for us. A possible problem that people of my program can have is not to know how to apply for a job in the Correctional Service of Canada. So to solve this problem, I think that the CSC website will be helpful for those people. So let's look at it. First of all, we have to open a web page and tap in the address bar the URL of the website. So here we go. We wrote www.csc-scc.gc.ca and we click enter. So here is the website. We have to choose if we want to watch it in English or in French. So for this course, we will choose English. At the top of the screen in the middle, we see the logo of Canada. In the top right corner of the screen, we can click on canada.ca to have information about the government of Canada. To come back to the main page, you just have to click on the back arrow. If we scroll down with the scroll bar, you can see that there's a video gallery that describes what is the CSC, and if you scroll down a bit more, you can do a virtual tour of a Canada penitentiary. That's very cool for anybody who is interested by our penitentiary in Canada. At the end, you can see the footer menu. In this menu, you can find information about the history of the website, their priorities, and their role. You can also ask any question if you click on General Inquiries. Now let's scroll up to explore the rest of the website. Just below the logo of Canada, you can see the main menu there. You will find all your information with that navigation menu. If you click on Facilities and Security, you will find information about the security in the penitentiary, information about the correctional process. But what is interesting for those who want to have information about the recruitment process is on the U and CSC menu. In the navigation menu at the top of the screen in the middle, you have to click on Careers and CSC. Here you are. On the right side of the screen, there's a guide that explains to you how to apply, and when you click on it, they explain to you the selection process, how to find a federal job online, things to keep in mind when you apply, and etc. To finish, they give you information about the recruitment process. So you click on it. And they give you information about if you want to be a correctional officer or a primary worker. Let's look at the correctional officer. just have to click on the image and this menu will appear. You have there information about the process, but also you have information on what you can do in this kind of job. So this is the role and all the information about the job. And there you can have information about what you have to do before applying, and you have all the steps for the process. So I think that this website will be very helpful for those kinds of people who didn't know how to apply for the CSC, because if they don't know how to apply, they will lose their chances to do what they really want to do in their lives. Thank you, guys.